Good morning. It's Johnny Sunshine. Good morning, my peoples, disciples, newcomers. Yeah, I fucking cracked myself up. Oh, man. It's fucking trash day. It's Tuesday. Look at my trash. I got a lot of it. Damn Airbnb people in the white bags. Yeah. Anyways, I gotta get to work, Jackson. My first call is a garbage disposal and possibly a mowing cartridge. Guy's got a drippy shower valve. Mowing posi temp. Getting low on them. I need to get more, but I should have one here to take care of that. I gotta go get some eye juice, man. My eyes have been killing me, and I've been out of this. I've been using all kinds of different crazy shit, and it ain't helping me. But then I gotta go do not one of my favorite things. I got water. A shower that's leaking. Oh, there's a fucking dead rabbit in the street, man. And turkey buzzards. Turkey buzzards are fucking circling, Jackson. Damn, that guy just put his Christmas tree out. And that motherfucker ain't got one needle on it. So they're all on the floor in his fucking house. We used to take our Christmas tree down in, I don't know, June, July, you know. It was just so nice, but then it started to look like fucking Charlie Brown's Christmas tree. And we had to get it out of there. But, I gotta go do a shower right around the corner. I'm gonna be driving by the place in about 2 seconds. Got water when they take a shower. They got water coming down the fucking wall. Only when they take a shower. It's one of two things, guys, when that's the case. If it's a steady drip, obviously it's a supply problem. It's either a bad pan or a fucking somebody changed the arm up there or broke the arm, put a fucking handheld shower on it. So what I do on that, the first thing I do is take the fucking shower arm out, put a test nipple in there, turn the valve on, take the trim off the shower so you can look in there and see if the damn thing's leaking, see if you got water coming down from up above. Then you know that's the problem, Jackson. If there's no water, then you gotta go to fucking plan B. Put one of those rubber things over the, you know, the rubber pads that you use for opening jars. Stick one of them over the shower drain. Fill the fucking shower up with water. See if it starts dumping out into the fucking dining room. If that's the case, they need a shower pan. And literally, I could do everything. I could cut the tile out. I could fucking put a new pan in, put a new drain in it, and retile it. I mean, that could be a nice little job. I should do all the stuff I have skills for. I don't need a tile guy. I could put fucking 12 tiles on the bottom of a shower. Just as good as they can. Maybe even better. Some of them. I'm not slinging mud on that last shower I was on. But yeah, I could do some tile, man. Let me go get some eye drops and then head on out, Jackson. Guys, I just almost ran over 10 fucking old guys wearing leotards on bikes. Yeah. We are in a fucking downward spiral. Since when do men wear leotards? I don't know. Fucking A. It's cold out here. So this is a thick sink, guys. So I need to get these screws backed out pretty far. So I look at the drain and see what it looks like. Is it a flat surface? Is it a deep well like on a cast iron? This is a flat one. So I'm not going to put an excess amount of putty on this. A whole bunch, you know. And I'm going to show you what I do when I put it in. And it makes for a nice seal. So you want to make sure the letters are in the right orientation up here. So one of the things I do, guys, is on like a cast iron or stainless steel sink, I always peel the excess putty off. Underneath, and then stick this on. And the easiest way to get this clip on is to put the split on first. Definitely works better when you're looking at it. And now we're going to turn that down. I'm really trying to minimize the amount of tools I bring into the house, you know, the weight of my bag. I always wanted to just make a list of tools needed for a particular job and flip to that page in my manual in the truck and say, okay, garbage disposal, I need this, 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 and this. It just, I don't know, would make it so much easier and a real time saver over the course of a year. You know, if you went into a house and you had everything you needed every single time without lugging around a 100-pound bag of tools, you can use a cordless drill on this, but I'm trying to see if I can just hook this thing up with a wrench and this 11-in-1 screwdriver. I mean a pair of channel locks, or I used my like a oil filter wrench on this one because it's the nuts in the back. That's it. So I buy the garbage disposal with the wire attached. It's a lot easier, saves time. Make sure you pop this plastic out. Not only pop it out, but retrieve it. See it? So I'm ready to go. This is a lift and latch garbage disposal, which really is easier, man, if you take the trap off, you know. It's tough breaking old habits when you're my age, so I'm gonna do the old lift and latch-a-rooski. And you want to just eyeball it where the beginning of it is and get your disposal in the position. Ow. But you need two hands, and it's a tough position for an old guy to be on his knees, you know, with fucking two hands. Actually, I guess you can do it with one if you're a bad mother. So I usually put this 90 on before I hang the garbage disposal. I'm getting ahead of myself. So this gasket goes on first, guys. It does not go on after the flange. And the reason I bought that 11-in-1 screwdriver is just for this, because it has a 3/8 nut driver on it, which is really great. And these are a lot easier to put in on the ground, in front on the floor. I kind of messed up, but you know, it's Johnny Sunshine. Alright, so here's the maiden voyage on a 3/8 nut. Wow. I want to clean this trap. Inspect the nut, make sure it's not cracked. Clean these off. These are the original. Always inspect these nuts, because you can have a hairline crack on that, man. I'm gonna stick it up here on there. Namaste. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put some pipe dope on this, just where the gasket seals in there. And I always just ran pipe dope around this ground joint. Should help. Put a little bit on the threads in there. This one's behind the garbage disposal. Kind of tough to get to, but we'll get her. Okay. Okay, so on these you want to spin it. Once it's locked in, the garbage disposal, you can spin it. And it's not locked in completely yet. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna rotate that until I can get this trap hooked up. Yeah. And I'm gonna use this wrench because it's a tight area, man, and they just work better on these nuts. And you can actually do it from the other side and tighten it. This is a really
have your task cut out for you there.
Yeah, it's a job. Sometimes you gotta use your wrench or pliers backwards to get in a spot. It is what it is, as they say. Very tight. What I like about these guys, it's not a two position. It can slide to different sizes, you know. It's a great tool, Milwaukee. So I just want, you don't need to over tighten them. So I'm gonna run this thing over here. Plug her in. Fortunately, it's lights out. You didn't plant this vase in here to make my job tougher, did you?
Did I leave something in there?
No, I'm kidding you. The glass vase. I'm a bull in a china shop, you know?
I don't even think I noticed it. Something my wife was keeping.
Yeah. Alright guys, so what I need to, the last thing I need to do up here on this garbage disposal is take my pliers and use this end.
I never thought you'd have to go to the left of the cabinet. I figured it was right on the right.
Yeah, it's okay. Not a biggie, not a big deal. As deals go, you know?
Big deal for you.
No, I've done 1,000 of them. Scooby-Dooby-Dee. Scooby-Dooby-Dee. Okey doke, let's check her out. Alright guys, I want to show you something. Yowza. Get that putty off of there.
I don't even recognize that vase.
What base?
That vase that you...
Oh yeah.
I don't even recognize it. Of course, it's glass that probably saw right through it.
That thing's big too, boy. Alright, if you have a pick. You can get that stuff out of there. And
Is there garbage in there?
no. It was for me putting it in, the new putty. So I was here, I think I took the slow restrictor out of that faucet for you the last time I was here. We had an issue, didn't we? Have a stoppage or something? No, you were here. It was just you. And I know it had something to do, maybe I put a new faucet in for you? I don't know.
They had a plug up in the line between the garbage disposal and the dishwasher.
Yep. You're from New York, right? Is that where you live?
Yep.
Where in New York?
Buffalo, New York.
Buffalo, way up in the...
Yeah, I had 2 homes for a long time.
Nice. Good for you.
No, when my wife got sick, I had sold the one up north.
Oh, I see. You were traveling back and forth to Florida in the winter.
Yeah, for a number of years.
Beautiful. I'm hoping I get there someday. And I'm able to do that because I'll tell you what, the summers are just brutal down here lately.
Tell me about it, I know.
Oh my God.
My whole family's down here, so I used to have to travel down here in the summertime.
Oh yeah, your kids and stuff?
Mother, father, brothers, sisters.
Okay.
Cousins.
Right. Alright, so we're gonna check for leaks, guys. Whoa! That's leaking. What the hell did I do? I forgot to put the garbage disposal hose on. That's why we test, boys. That's why we test. That's extra. When I flood the place, that's an upcharge. Okey doke.
So you just fixed it?
Oh, I just need to put the hose on.
Oh,
I didn't put the damn dishwasher hose on.
Oh, alright.
I'm beyond, I believe that, you know, I don't want to, shouldn't tell my customers this, but, you know, maybe dealing with a little bit of the onset of dementia.
You?
I'm kidding.
Yeah, you're too young for that.
60.
I'm in my 80s and I don't have it.
Well, you don't have a family history of it in?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
My mother.
my mom, she was 95 and she had a little bit.
Well, that's pretty good.
My mother, my grandmother had Alzheimer's though. So gotta be careful. Pay attention. Yeah, pay attention. Fucking Johnny. I thought this was gonna be one of my best videos too. Shit. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Well, we know that drain's wide open for the dishwasher.
That's no problem there, huh? Nope.
Nope.
That's where I have a problem before.
Strangers in the night. Always give this hose a little tug, guys, when you finally put it on after mopping up all the water and shit, you know. Yeah, that's gonna work better. Whew.
All this moving around you're doing is really good for you.
Yes, it is.
You probably don't like it.
I don't.
Really, really good for you.
Better than just sitting around. Oh yeah, I remember you telling me about that the last time. Did you like run and swim or something?
Yeah. I used to run every day for about 40 years. And then when my knees gave out on me, I started cycling.
Oh wow.
20 miles a day.
I just went by a bunch of guys, like 10 of them.
Yeah.
You weren't one of them guys who wore spandex pants, are you?
Oh yeah.
Oh Jesus. That's what I made the comment, like, what the hell happened that now guys are wearing leotards?
Oh well, you know, that's a health issue, those pants.
Yeah, they
protect you.
Yeah. And
There's a reason for it.
well, yeah, and also they cut the wind, you know, for you guys in the, you know, Tour de France. They shave their legs.
I don't.
No, the guys in the Tour de France.
Oh, I know. No, guys,
Yeah,
guys I bike with shave their legs.
Yeah.
And they shave their arms.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, and then they zip themselves up real tight in those.
That was a little too much for me.
Yeah, that's too far for me too. I gotta go shave my legs.
I would think that'd be an awful task to have to keep your legs shaved.
Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go in. We're gonna check his shower. See what we can do to help him out with that. Let me take a little tool here. Let's go see what this thing's doing before I change the head out for you.
You want me to turn it on again?
Wow, you got some, is there a light in there?
Yeah, there is, right behind you.
So it looks like you've got some, you know, damage on the ceiling up there.
Oh, I never noticed it.
I'm not sure what that's all about. If it's from the second floor or just not using a, whatchamacallit? Not using the fan when you take a shower. Do you use the fan a lot or no?
I do, yes.
Okay. So this guy was never really installed properly.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, this is supposed to be mounted to the wall, so I'm just gonna take it off.
Yeah.
Get rid of it, and I'll put you a new head on there, a mowing head, and you'll be all set.
Yeah, my wife put that on a long time ago.
She did a great job.
Yeah. I mean, she didn't put it on, she ordered it on.
Oh, okay. I was kidding.
She was very fussy about things, where I'm not.
I hear you.
I keep things.
And how old did you say you are?
85.
85, so I'll give you a lifetime warranty on all the stuff that I do today.
Yeah.
So guys, whenever you take one of them out, you want to make sure you're getting the gasket out because it always ends up inside the pipe. Let me get some Teflon. Alright guys, so I'm going to take this flow restrictor out of this mowing head so he can get a good shower.
Yeah, I shower every day because I exercise so much.
I shower once a week, whether I need it or not. That was another bad joke.
I didn't think you were serious. I saw through it.
You just weren't impressed, huh?
No, I figured I'd better keep my mouth shut as all.
No comment on that subject. I hear you, brother. Okay, so let's get this guy on here. You'll like this head. It feels pretty good on your back, you know? Oh, yeah. 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 Let's get this contraption out of here.
Oh, perfect.
No fuss, no muss.
That's right. Perfect.
Just if this valve gets to be an issue for you, give me a call. We can fix it. We don't need to do it today. All right, guys. You're all set in there. Garbage disposal. It's gonna be extra for the leak that I caused. I gotta charge $25 more. I'm kidding. Anyways, it's gonna be $350, my friend. I'm gonna give you the shower head as a token of my appreciation for you.
Oh wow, that's fantastic.
And what you. All right, guys. So I'm all done with this garbage disposal. I thought the video was going great. And I forgot to put the dishwasher hose on, man. And, yeah, I couldn't find the fucking plug in the sink because the sink's black and the plug's black in my eyes. I'm like fishing around in there trying to stop the fucking water. Zen. Yeah, you're never going to be in a Zen state when you do plumbing. Anyways, I threw in a shower head for that guy, charged him $350 for the garbage disposal, still lower than most, and I gave him a shower head as a token of my appreciation for him calling me. So I'm on to the next one. I'm going back to Sarasota to figure out why this shower is leaking, and I'll be honest, if it's a shower pan, I'm going to go ahead and cut the tile out on the bottom. I'm not going to say you need a tile guy. I'll do all that work and get paid for it for $100 or $125 an hour. Put a new pan in for them and then say, you know, get this thing tiled. That's it. I won't have to, like, have the tile guy tear it out and then I go back. You know, this is just the easiest way to do it. And I'll finish the fucking day out there, man. But I do have a lot of other calls I need to get to. I'm hoping it's something simple, to be honest with you. I hope it's not a shower pan. Hey guys, Johnny's trash picking again. I see one one of those little carts for a golf bag. Looks pretty nice, man. I'm gonna grab it and see. Maybe it'll work good for a tool bag, you know? Who knows? I'm gonna stop and grab that bitch. Bring it home. If I can't do anything with it, I'll just put it in my trash. See where that sucker is. You just want to put your flashers on, man, when you're trash picking. Here we go now. Where is that son of a gun? Let's put the flashers on. Look at that. I think I could make something out of that, man. That thing looks pretty good. Pretty fucking stout, Jackson. Let's go check her out. Basically a mini hand truck, man. Oh, hell yeah. This thing's all aluminum, heavy duty. Look at that handle, Jackson. Oh, the handle's all sticky from the rubber, but Johnny can make that work, man. I'm taking it. Taking it, man. I've got enough shit, but I like this, man. This is heavy duty. This was back when they made them good, Jackson. This is a real fucking deal. Got bearings and everything in this son of a bitch. It ain't no plastic piece of crap. Perfect. Just what I needed.